Hello and welcome to the Code Your Escape Challenge. In this challenge, you'll be designing an escape room and code your partner, or robot, to escape from. Here are some words you'll use throughout your lesson. Pseudocode is a code that uses everyday words. A robot is a device that accomplishes a task as told by its code. An obstacle is a problem you can solve. An escape room is an activity where people are in a room with puzzles to solve to get out. Programming is how you tell a robot to do something. The engineering design process is a cycle of steps that involves coming up with ideas and improving them. To complete this activity, there are some criteria and constraints that you must follow. First, your solution should be presented as a pseudocode with one action steps. Once your volunteer is acting out your pseudocode, the verbal instructions must be followed exactly. You are also not allowed to walk very far into the room. You must give verbal instructions so that your partner can walk across the room. Be sure to tell your partner every step or movement to make sure they don't run into anything. Your partner is also not allowed to talk or take off their blindfold. To complete this activity, first you need to choose a room in your house and place different objects around it for your partner to follow. Your partner could be a parent or sibling or someone else. Then you need to write out a pseudocode for them to follow and make sure they get from one end of the room to the other without running into anything.
If your partner does run into something, you should change your code and start over.
Now that you've completed the challenge, I'd like you to think about these questions. What happened when you told your volunteer to walk forward? How does your volunteer know how far to go and when to stop? How specific did your instructions have to be? How does this activity relate to programming? What skills did you learn and use in this activity? And what core values did you use in this activity? If you enjoyed this activity, try trading places with your partner so they write the code and you follow it. Also remember to fill out the core value self-reflection.